Hi, good morning to all. See here today, okay, continuation. Next, last exercise concept. See here in this last exercise concept, okay. Last year deleted syllabus in this portion, okay. Last year deleted syllabus, okay. This year not given deleted syllabus, okay. One more time, just practice, okay. In case of deleted syllabus is given, remove this last exercise, okay. Maximum 99% deleted syllabus in this last exercise, okay. Right. See here in this concept, okay, right. See here first elementary operation, okay, elementary operation or transformation of a matrix. Here elementary operation, okay, elementary operation or transformation of a matrix, okay, elementary operation or transformation, okay, elementary operations. See here in this definition here, there are six operations or transformations on a matrix, three of which are due to rows. See, three of which are due to rows, okay, three are rows operation, three rows, okay, right. Next meaning and three due to columns, okay, three due to columns, total six operations, okay, six operations. In six operations, three are due to rows, next and three are due to columns, total six operations, okay, three are due to columns, three are due to rows. Next, which are known as elementary operations, elementary operations are six, okay, three are due to rows, three are due to columns, okay, right. Next, see here first one, okay, first one, see the interchanging of any two rows or two columns. Here the interchanging of any two rows or two columns, the interchange of any two rows or two columns, okay, interchange any two rows or columns in a matrix, okay, interchanging, right. See here that is see here interchanging any two rows or two columns, so okay, that is see here in this one, see here that is Ri, okay, Ri interchanges to here Rj, okay, Rj, see here ith row, jth row, okay, interchanging two rows, ith row and jth row, okay. Next, ORR, columns also same, okay, columns Ci interchanges to Cj, okay, Cj, okay, interchanging two columns, okay, interchanging two rows or two columns, okay, interchange any two rows or two columns, okay, first property, okay, right. Next, see in the second one, the multiplication of elements. Here the multiplication of the elements of any row. See here the multiplication of the elements of any row or column by a non-zero number, okay, multiply by a non-zero number, okay, non-zero number. See here in this one, the multiplication of the elements of any row, okay, any row or column by a non-zero number. So here that is here Ri goes to, okay, multiply by a non-zero number, so that is k into non-zero number is k into Ri, okay, k into Ri. See here the multiplication of the elements of any row or column by a non-zero number. See here Ri goes to k into Ri, okay, multiply non-zero number k is the non-zero number, okay, multiply any non-zero number. See here Ri goes to k into Ri, okay, OR same column, take column, so that is Ci goes to here k into, okay, k into Ci, okay, k into Ci, okay. So apply any one, okay, here we take a row, apply this row operation, take your column, okay, apply column operation, okay, right. Next is here last, so the addition to the elements of any row, or column. See here the addition here, okay, the addition to the elements of any row or column, the corresponding elements of any other row. See the corresponding elements of any other row or column, okay, multiplied by any non-zero number, See here third property, the addition to the elements of any row, okay, or column, the corresponding elements of any other row or column multiplied by non-zero number, right. See here that is here Ri, okay, Ri goes to, see here Ri goes to here Ri, here plus, okay, addition, okay, Next multiply non-zero number. Here non-zero number is k into rj. Okay, k into rj. Okay, see here the addition to the elements of any row, addition. Okay, and corresponding elements of any other row, okay, multiplied by a non-zero number, see here addition. Okay, here non-zero number multiply corresponding row. So here see here ri goes to ri plus k into rj. Okay, ri plus k into rj. Okay, right. Next same apply column. So in this column ci, okay, ci goes to here ci plus, okay, ci plus k into here cj. Okay, cj. Okay, see here these are 6 operations, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 3 are due to rows, 3 are due to columns, total 6 operations. Okay, 3 are due to rows, 3 are due to columns. These are elementary operations or transformations. Okay, so in this problem apply these operations. Okay, this one. Okay, using these 3 properties. Okay, problems easy. Okay, right. See here next write this one. Okay, write this one, only write rough notes. Okay, I send WhatsApp paid notes. Okay, just only write rough notes one day. Okay, right. Next see here in this next one. Right, see here next definition here. See here in this next definition here. In this next definition, see here invertible matrices. Okay, invertible matrices. Right, see here. So in this definition, if A is a square matrix, of order m, and if there exists, okay, if there exists another square matrix B, okay, of the same order m, such that AB is equal to BA is equal to I, then B is called the inverse of the matrix A. Okay, B is called the inverse of the matrix A, and it is denoted by A inverse. See here. So here if A is a square matrix of order m, and there exists another square matrix of order, okay, m, okay, B, okay, there exists another square matrix B of order m, such that AB is equal to BA is equal to I is the identity matrix. Okay, then B is called the, see then B is called the inverse of the matrix A, B is called the inverse of the matrix A, and it is denoted by A inverse. Okay, and it is denoted by A inverse. See here in this condition here, AB is equal to BA is equal to I. Okay, AB is equal to BA is equal to I is the identity matrix. So here B is called the inverse of A. Okay, B is the inverse of A, and it is denoted by A inverse. Okay, so therefore, see here in this, therefore A inverse is equal to, see here, therefore A inverse. Okay, A inverse is equal to B. Okay, A inverse is equal to B. Right. So here B is the inverse of A. This is the definition. Okay, AB is equal to I, then B is inverse of A. Okay, or BA is equal to I, B is inverse of A. Okay, so therefore A inverse is equal to B. Okay, A inverse is equal to B. This is the invertible matrix definition. Okay, write property 1 formula. See here, if A and B are invertible matrices of the same order, see here, if A and B are invertible matrices of the same order, then AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Okay, see here, then AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Okay, this is the formula. See here, if A and B are invertible matrices of the same order, then AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. This is the formula. Okay, apply this formula. AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. B inverse first. Okay, B inverse into A inverse. This is the invertible matrix definition. Okay, write one time this definition. Okay, right. Next, see here in this next one. Right, see here next definition. See here in this one, inverse of a matrix. Here inverse of a matrix by elementary operations. Okay, inverse of a matrix by elementary operations. Okay, find inverse of the matrix using elementary operations. Okay, using elementary operations. Right, see here inverse of a matrix by elementary operations. Okay, see here in this one. So if A is a matrix, so if A is a matrix such that A inverse, okay, A inverse exists here. A is a matrix such that A inverse, okay, A inverse exists. Okay, A inverse exists. Then to find A inverse using elementary row operations here, using elementary row operations, write A is equal to I into A. Okay, right? A is equal to I into A. This one important. Okay, this one important. Okay, see here. By using elementary row operations, okay, write A is equal to I into A. Okay, write A is equal to I into A. This is the formula. Okay, see here. By using elementary row operations, write A is equal to I into A, and apply a sequence of row operations, on A is equal to IA till we get I is equal to BA. See here, and apply a sequence of row operation on A is equal to IA till we get I is equal to BA. See here, apply row operations here, okay, till we get this form. So here the matrix B will be the, see here, the matrix B will be the inverse of A. The matrix B will be the inverse of A. See here, the matrix B will be the inverse of A. So here B is called the inverse of A. See here, I is equal to BA. Okay. So here B matrix, okay, B matrix is the inverse of A. Okay, right? First given matrix, it can be written as A is equal to I into A. Next, apply a sequence of row operations. Okay, row operations till we get I is equal to BA coming. Okay, I is equal to BA coming. So here this matrix B is called the inverse of A. Finish. Okay. First given matrix, it can be written as A is equal to I into A. Next, apply a sequence of row operations till we get I is equal to BA coming. Okay, I is equal to BA. So here converting into in this matrix A by identity matrix. Okay, converting in this matrix A by identity matrix. Okay, converting in this matrix by identity matrix. So till we get I is equal to BA coming. So B will be the inverse of A. Okay, same similarly column. Okay, columns. See here. So here similarly, if we wish to find A inverse using column operations, okay, using column operations, then we write A is equal to IA, okay, and apply a sequence of column operations A is equal to IA till we get I is equal to AB. Okay, only your problems, okay, apply row operations, use first one better. Okay, right? Next, column operations also same, no change. Okay, see here, column operations, write A is equal to AI. Row operations, A is equal to IA. Column operations, A is equal to AI. Here IA. Okay, column operations AI. Same. Next, apply sequence of column operations on A is equal to IA till we get I is equal to AB. Okay, I is equal to AB. So B will be the inverse of A. Okay, B is the inverse of A. Okay. See here, first A can be written as, okay, A can be written as A is equal to I into A. Next, apply a sequence of row operations till we get I is equal to BA coming. Okay, I is equal to BA coming. So here B will be the inverse of A. Okay, B will be the inverse of A. Okay, this is the matrix of elementary operations. Okay, write this definition one time. Okay, write one time. Okay, right? See here in this one question. Right, see here first, okay, all problems are procedure same. First understood concept. Okay, don't biting problems. All problems are concept same. Okay, first one problem. See here, listen. So first here, by using elementary operations, find the inverse of the matrix. Okay, by using, see here, elementary operations, find the inverse of the matrix. Elementary operations, using elementary operations. Okay, so row operations or column operations, your choice. Okay, so here first, see here, given matrix, see here in the solution here, in this solution. Okay, in this solution, in this given matrix A is equal to, see here, in this given matrix, so here let A is equal to, okay, let A is equal to, first in this given matrix, so here first here 1 minus 1, next minus 2 3, okay, 2 3, okay, right? See here A can be written as, okay, A can be written as A is equal to I into A, okay, A is equal to I into A. See here, so here A can be written as, here A can be written as, A can be written as, A can be written as A is equal to I into A is equal to I into A, okay. See here A can be written as A is equal to I into A, first step. Next, apply a sequence of row operations, okay, right. See here, first A matrix, this matrix right here, so that is, see here, that is A matrix here. See here in this A matrix here 1 minus 1, here 2 3, okay, 2 3 is equal to, so I identity matrix here IA, identity matrix here 1 0, here 0 1, okay, into A. Don't write here A matrix, only A, okay, write A here, okay. Converting into this matrix by identity matrix, okay, converting into this matrix by identity matrix, okay. Identity matrix 1 0 0 1, okay. First here, see here in this order, okay, in this order, first order in this order, okay, in this order. First converting in this element by 1 here, okay, 1 here, okay, 1 1 same, okay. Next converting into this element is 0, okay, this element is 0. See here in this element 0, this is first row, second row, converting into this element by 0, so this is R2. See here R2 goes to, see here R2 goes to, okay, R2 minus, here multiply 2, 2 into 1 is 2, okay, minus 2 into R1. See here R2 element is 2 here, okay, multiply 2 here, okay, subtraction, R2 minus 2 R1, okay, R2 value 2 minus 2 into R1 value 1, okay, 1 here, 2 minus 2, 0 coming here, okay, 0 coming, okay, 0 coming. See here, first converting into this matrix, okay, converting into this one. See here, first converting into here 1 0 0 1 matrix, okay, converting in this form, okay, right. See here, first here in this here in this one is this form, first here converting into this type, okay, this type, okay, direction. See here, direction, this one, first direction, this one, next remaining this one, okay, all right. See here, first one here, okay, next here converting to 0 this element, okay, 0, right. 0 means here, see here, this is R2 row, R2 goes to R2 minus here 2 element here, multiply 2 here, okay, multiply 2 into R1, okay. So here R2 element 2 minus 2 into R1 element is 1, 2 minus 2, 0 coming here, okay, right. R2 changing, okay, R2 changing only. See here, so here R1 is no change, R1 element is 1 minus 1, R2 changes, replace R2 value 2 minus 2 into R1 value is 1, okay, 2 minus 2 is 0, okay. Next remaining this one, R2 element is 3 minus 2 into R1 element is minus 1, okay, minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 plus 3, this element is 5, okay, this element is 5, okay, right, this element is 5, okay, this element is 5 is equal to, alright. See here in this side also changing, okay, R1 is no change, 1 0 R1, R2 changing, R2 element replace here R2 0 here, 0 minus 2 into, okay, R1 element is 1, okay, 2 into 1 is 2, minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2 here, okay. Next replace here R2 element is 1 minus 2 into R1 element is 0, okay. See here 1 here, 1 minus 0 1, okay, 1 into this element is A, this matrix is A, okay, alright. See here next 1 0 here this value is here 1 here. See here order 1 0 1 here 1, okay, 1. So here this is 5 divided by 5 here, divided by 5 1 coming here, okay. So here this is R2 row, so here R2 goes to R2, okay, R2 by 5, okay, right here. See here, so that is 1 minus 1 here 0 5, okay, 0 5 0 1 here, okay, not 5, okay, 5 by 5 is 1, okay, 5 by 5 is 1 here, okay, this is 1, okay, is equal to, right. See here in this value divided by 5 R2, R1 is no change, 1 0, next remaining value minus 2 by 5, okay, next remaining value here 1 by 5. See here R2 divided by 5 here, minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5, okay, into this matrix is A, okay, right. Next see here, so here 1 0 1, here the 0 means here adding these two, see here 0, okay, converting into 0, So this is R2. Adding these two, R1 plus R2 value 0 coming. Okay, see here. R1 goes to R1 plus here R2. Okay, adding these two. Okay, 0 plus 1 is 1. Next plus 1 minus 1 is 0 coming. Okay, adding these two. See here. So therefore, alright, see here, therefore, so adding R1 plus R2, adding 1 plus 0, here 1. Next one, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 is, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Next second row, 0, here 1 is equal to, alright, see here, in this value. So R1 plus R2, adding these two, okay, adding these two, R1 plus R2, okay, R1 plus R2, R1 plus R2. See here, R1 plus R2 means 1 minus 2 by 5, okay, 1 minus 2 by 5. Next here in this element here, adding these two, 0 plus 1 by 5, 0 plus here 1 by 5, okay. Next here in this value, R2 same, okay, R2 same, that is minus 2 by here 5. Next here in this element is 1 by 5, okay, 1 by 5, okay. See here, so here therefore 1 0 0 1 is equal to, so in this matrix here, see here, take LCM, 5 minus 2, that is 3, here 3 by 5. Next many here 1 by 5. Next many value minus 2 by 5. Next many value here 1 by 5, okay, into A, okay, into A, okay, right. See, it is of the form I is equal to B into A form. So I is equal to B into A form, okay. So here A inverse is equal to B matrix is this matrix, B matrix is this matrix, that is 3 by 5. Next many value 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Next many value 1 by 5. This is the inverse of A. Okay? Okay. Alright, one more time. See one more time. Right, here by using elementary operations, find the inverse of the matrix. Okay, find the inverse of the matrix. Inverse. Okay. Elementary operations only. Okay, using. See here. First given matrix, let A is equal to given matrix. Okay. Next, A can be written as A is equal to I into A. A is equal to I into A. So here A matrix is this matrix A. Okay, is equal to I is equal to identity matrix. Okay, into A. Okay, into A. Don't write here A matrix. Okay, A only write A. Right. Next, see here in this matrix converting into identity matrix. Okay, this matrix converting into this matrix identity matrix. Okay. So identity matrix is 1 0 1 0. Here take this order. Okay, first here 1 0. Next point 1 0 in this order. Okay, U shape. Okay, first check here 1 here. Okay, in this matrix 1 is given. Okay, no problem. Okay, next say this converting into this element is 0. Okay, this element is 0. Okay, 0. 0 means here this is element is 2. Okay, R1 element is 1. So here multiply 2 here 2 element multiply 2. Here 5 given, multiply 5. Here 7 given, multiply 7. Okay. Next here, see here, R2 goes to R2 minus 2 into R1. Okay, minus 2 into R1. Here 5 is given, take 5 here, 5 R1. Here 7 is given, take a 7 R1. Okay. Alright, see here, R2 goes to R2 minus 2 into R1. Okay, apply this operation. See here, first here R1 is no change, R1 is same, right, R1. Next R2 changing, R2 minus 2 R1, R2 element is 2 minus 2 into R1, R1 element is 1 here. Okay, here 2 minus 2, this is 0. Okay, next remaining this element. Okay, this element R2 element is 3. Okay, minus 2 into here this R1 element is minus 1, minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3, that is 5. Okay, that is equal to, here R1 is no change, R1 is same, R2 changing, replace here R2 0 minus 2 into here this element is R1. Okay, minus 2 into R1 element is 1 here. Okay, here 0 minus 2 minus 2. Next replace here R2 element is 1 here, minus 2 into R1 element is 0. Okay, minus 2 into 0 0. Next here this element is 1 is 1. Okay, next A. Next see here, so 1 0 here converting first 1 here. Okay, 1 means divided by 5 here, 1 coming. Okay, divided by 5, 1 coming. So here R2 goes to R2 by 5 here. Here 7 coming, 7 divided by 7. Here 10 coming, divided by 10. Okay, so here R2 by 5 here. Here 5 divided by 5. Right, R1 is same, R2 divided. So here 0 by 5. 0 by 5 is 0. Next remaining here 5. here 5 by 5, 5 by 5 is 1 here, okay, 5 by 5 is 1, this is 1, okay, this is 1, 5 by 5 is 1, is equal in the side same, R1 is same, R2 element, R2 by 5, R2 element is minus 2, okay, minus 2 by 5, next here R1 is 1, 1 by 5 into A, okay, right, next 1, 0, 1, here 0, converting into 0, this is 0 means adding these two, 1 plus 1, so here 1 minus 1 is 0 coming, okay, adding these two, so here this element converting into 0, okay, this is R1, so here R1 goes to R1 plus R2, adding these two, 0 coming, okay, so here R1 plus R2, right, so here first R1, okay, R1 changing, R1, adding these two, R1 plus R2, 1 plus 0, 1, next R1 plus R2, adding these two, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 is 0 here, okay, 0, okay, see, next R2 same, 0, 1, R2, no change. That is in this side also same. See here R1 goes to R1 plus R2, R1 plus R2. Adding these two, 1 minus 2 by 5. Next adding these two, 0 plus 1 by 5. Okay, R1. R2 same. Okay, R2 same. Right, next see here, this is same, this side. Take LCM here, minus 5, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, that is minus 2 by, see here, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3 by 5. Next this element is 1 by 5, okay, second row same. So it is of the form I is equal to B into A form. See here it is of the form I is equal to B into A form. So here B will be the inverse of A, this is inverse of A. So therefore A inverse is equal to this matrix. A inverse is equal to this matrix, okay. First confusing these problems, okay. First you also practice 3-4 times, easy, okay, no confusing, okay. First understood this concept here. So converting into 1 0 1 0, this shape, okay, this order, see here, this direction, first 1 0 1 0, okay, fix in mind this one, okay. So easy problems, 4-5 times you also practice, easy coming answer, okay. Only asking elementary operations, apply this procedure, not asking another formula, direct answer coming, okay. Write this one time you also practice. Okay, right? See your next problem. See here in this next question, another question, same, all problems are procedure same, okay. First listen. See here, first here, in this solution here, see here, first by using elementary operations, find the inverse of the matrix, inverse, okay. Right, first take let A is equal to, see here, let A is equal to, here let A is equal to given matrix, in this matrix is, see here 1 3 2 7, see here 1 3, next value 2 7, okay, 2 7. So here A can be written as, here A can be written as, here A can be written as, A can be written as, A can be written as A is equal to, okay, A is equal to I into A, first step. A can be written as A is equal to I into A, okay. Next replace here A matrix here, see here, that is, okay, that is A matrix, in this A matrix is 1 3, okay, A matrix is 1 3, here 2 7, 1 3 2 7 is equal to, so here in this identity matrix IA, so that is 1 0, next value 0 1, okay, into A, okay, don't write here A matrix here, okay, write only A, okay, write only A, okay. Alright, so here converting into this matrix is identity matrix, okay, identity matrix. See here first order here in this one, see here first writing here, okay. Alright, see here first here 1 0 0 1, okay, first direction here in this direction, okay, see here in this direction here, first here in this direction, okay, in this direction, okay, right, see here first here in this direction, right, this first check here 1 here, first element 1, okay, check here 1, okay, 1 is given, okay, no problem, okay. Right, next here see here converting this element 0, converting into here this element 0, okay, this element 0, right, here 2 given, okay, 2 given. So this is second row, okay, second row, this is first row, right, second row 2 coming, okay, here it's converting into 0, 0 means here multiply 2 and subtraction, okay, multiply 2 and subtraction, see here R2 goes to, okay, here R2 minus, okay, R2 minus, see here multiply 2, here 2 given, multiply 2, here 2 into R1, okay, see here multiply 2 and subtraction. Okay, multiply 2 and subtract. Here 5 coming, multiply 5 and subtraction. Here 7, multiply 7 and subtraction. Okay, right. See here. Next here R2 changing, R1 is no change. Right here. So that is 1 3. Okay, 1 3. R2 changing, R2 minus 2 R1. R2 element is 2. Minus 2 into R1 element is here 1. Okay, 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 0. Right. Next R2 element is here R2 element is 7. Minus 2 into R1 element is 3. Okay. 2 into 3 6. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay. 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay. So that is equal to, right. See here R1 is same 1 0. R2 changing, R2 element 0. Minus 2 into R1 element is 1 here. Okay. 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 2. This element is minus 2. Next here R1 is R2. R2 is 1 here. Minus 2 into R1 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Here this value is 1. Only 1 here. Okay. Into A. Okay. See here 1 0 1 coming. Here converting this is 0. See an order. This order is 1 0 1. Okay. Here this element is 1 coming. No problem. Okay. Next here converting this element 0. Okay. So converting this element 0. This element 0 means this is R1 row. This is R1 row. Okay. Converting it 0. R1 row. So R1 goes to. See here R1 goes to. Here R1. Okay. Next here multiply 3 and subtraction. Okay. See here multiply 3 minus 3 into here R2. See here 3 coming, multiply 3 and subtraction. Okay. Here 5 coming, multiply 5 and subtraction. Okay. Here 0 coming, 3 minus 3 into 1. 3 minus 3 0 coming here. Okay. Right. See here first here R1 changing, R1 goes to R1 minus 3 R2. R1 value 1 minus 3 into R2 value 0. 3 into 0 0. Here only 1 here. Okay. Alright. Next here this element R1 is 3 minus 3 into R2 value 1. Okay. 3 minus 3 0 coming. Finish. Okay. Alright. Next here R2 same. No change. R2 is equal to in the side same. See here in the side is R1 minus 3 R2. R1 elements here R1. R1 element is 1. Okay. 1 minus 3 into R2. R2 element is minus 2. See here minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 3 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. 7. Right. Next R1. See here R1 is 0. R1 is 0. Minus 3 into R2 element is 1. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Okay. Minus 3. This element is minus 3. Next time value R2 same. Here minus 2 1 into A. Okay. See here. It is of the form I is equal to B into A form. I coming 1 0 0 1 coming. Okay. Coming. Okay. So I is equal to B into A form. Okay. So here A inverse is equal to, therefore here A inverse is equal to B matrix. So see here I is equal to B A form. It is of the form. See here it is of the form. It is of the form I is equal to B into A form. Okay, B into A form. So B will be the inverse of A. So here I is equal to B into A form. B is the inverse of A. So therefore A inverse is equal to B. B matrix is 7 minus 3. Okay, 7 minus 3. Next time value minus 2 1. Okay, minus 2 1. This is the inverse of A. Okay, same. All problems are processed same. Okay. Okay, last year deleted syllabus this one. This year also maximum 99% deleted syllabus. Okay, just a one time practice this problem models. Okay, in objective problems apply another formula in this type of questions, not apply this procedure. Okay, objective problems. Okay, write this one time practice. Okay, right. See here in this next one. Here in this next problem another question. Okay, number of time practice each question. Okay, right. See here another question here. By using elementary operations find the inverse of the matrix. Okay, right. See here first write here this solution here. In this solution, see here let A is equal to first write given matrix. Okay, given matrix is 2 5. Here 2 5. Next one 1 3. Here 2 5 1 3. Okay, this is A. See here A can be written as, here A can be written as A is equal to, okay, A is equal to I into A. Okay, A is equal to I into A, first step. Next replace here A matrix here. See in this A matrix here, see here that is, okay, A matrix is this matrix, that is 2 5. Next value 1 3, okay, 1 3 is equal to I is equal to identity matrix 1 0. Next value 0 1, okay, 0 1. Alright, next into this is A, okay, don't write here, only write A, okay. Alright, next is here converting into 1. First here 1, here 2 given, okay, 1 means here this R2 element is 1 here, 2 minus 1, 1 coming, 2 minus 1, 1 coming. So this is R1, R2. So here in this apply operation, R1 goes to here R1 minus R2, okay. See here R1 value 2 minus R2 value 1, 2 minus 1 is 1 coming, okay. See here, so R1 changing, R1, so R1 minus R2, R1 element 2 minus 1. Next R1 is 5, 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3 is 2, okay, 5 minus 3 is 2. R2 no change, only R1 changing, R2 same, right, R2 same. Okay, right, so that is equal to, see here in this value, here R1 changing, R1 minus R2, R1 minus R2, 1 minus 0, 1, okay. Next R1 minus R2, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. R2 same, okay, R2 same, 0 1, 0 1 into A, okay. Right, see here 1 coming first, next converting into 0, right, see here converting into 0. See here first here identity matrix here 1 0, okay, 1 0 0 1, okay. Right, see here in this order, first in this order is in this order, okay, in this direction, okay, in this direction, okay, in this direction, okay, in this direction. So first here 1, check 1 here, okay, 1 coming, okay. Next here 0, convert into 0, this one 0. See here first here in this value 1 here, okay, convert into 0, 0 means here 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 0 coming, okay, here 1 is R2, this is R2. See here R2 goes to here R2 minus R1, okay. So R1 changing, so right here R1, see here first R1 is same 1 2, R2 changing, okay, R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, R2 value 3, R1 value 2, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, okay, 3 minus 2 is 1 is equal to, see here R1 is same, okay, 1 minus 1, R2 changing, R2 minus R1, 0 minus 1 minus 1. Next meaning R2 1 minus into minus plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, okay, 1 plus 1 is 2 into A, okay, 2 into A. Alright, see here check here. Here 1 0 1 coming, okay, see here 1 0 1 coming. Next here converting, this is 0, okay, this is 0 means R1 row, this is R1 row. So here R1 goes to, right, see here R1 element is 2 minus here 2 into R2, okay, 2 into R2, here 3 coming, 3 into R2, here 5 coming, 5 into R2, okay. See here R1 element 2 minus 2 into R1 element, R2 element is 1 here, 2 into 1 is minus 2, plus 2 minus 2 0 coming here, okay. Right here this apply this operation. So here, therefore see here in this operation here R1, okay, R1 minus 2 into R2, R1 element 1, 2 into R2 element 0, okay, 1 minus 0 1 here same, okay, 1. Right, next one is here R1 is 2 minus 2 into R2 element is 1 here, okay. See here 2 minus 2 minus 2 0, so this is 0. Alright, next meaning R2 same, okay, R2 same 0 1 is equal to, right, is equal to, see here in this value in this side here R1 minus 2 into R2, R1 element is 1 here, okay, 1 minus 2 into R2 element is minus 1, minus into minus plus 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, okay, 2 plus 1 is 3, right, 2 plus 1 is 3. Alright, next meaning, see here R1 minus 1 minus 2 into 2 minus 4, okay, minus 4 minus 1, so here minus 5, okay, minus 5. Alright, next meaning value, see here R2 same, okay, R2 same, so that is minus 1, next meaning value 2 into A, right. See here it is of the form I is equal to B into A form, okay. See it is of the form I is equal to B into A form, so therefore B will be the inverse of A, so therefore A inverse is equal to B. B matrix is here 3, here minus 5, here minus 1 2, okay, minus 1 2, this is the inverse of A, okay. Procedure same, no change, okay. Right, one time practice this question. Okay, right? Today class finish. Okay, in this model practice one time. Okay, just okay. Last year deleted syllabus. Okay, this year also maximum 99% deleted in this last exercise. Okay, right? One more time you also practice. Okay, maths is chapter complete, theory. Okay, maths is chapter theory complete, right? Okay, next class, next chapter. Okay, right?